Hey everybody, Jason Seibel here, Homebuyer 101. I hope you are all fantastic today. It's Wednesday. Got another video for you, and today's topic is what is the difference between down payment versus cash to close. I get a lot of questions, and many people are surprised by the difference when they see when we put together an estimated statement, cost, cash to close, and they're like, man, why are these numbers different? So let's talk about that. Down payment, the definition of down payment, that is your minimum contribution required to qualify for the loan. So cash to close is all of your closing costs plus the down payment, right? So your closing costs include things like lender fees, prepaids, title and escrow fees, property taxes, and those are either paid out of pocket or they can be negotiated in as part of the sales price, or you can ask the seller to pay those costs, okay? In our market, typically your closing costs are about 2.5% to 3% of the purchase price. So I'm going to run through a quick model for you to give you some examples of how this would work. So on a $300,000 purchase, okay, at a 5% down payment, what that would mean is your down payment, your minimum contribution for the purpose of the loan would be $15,000, okay? Your closing costs, let's just use the round number of 3% on that same purchase price of $300, would be $9,000. So your total cash to close would be the down payment of $15,000 plus the $9,000 for a total of $24,000. That's what you would need to bring to the party to close on your new home. Now, if you ask the seller to pay a portion of your closing costs and negotiate that into your contract, let's say you ask the seller to pay $5,000. So what that would mean is $15,000 as a down plus $9,000 for the closing costs would be $24,000. But if the seller pays $5,000, you would subtract that $5,000, and now your new cash to close would be $19,000. So it's super important as you're exploring this process of buying a home to make sure that you have the appropriate cash you need to close, because it can be different than your down payment, and there's a lot of sources. It could be gifts, it could come from a retirement account, it could come from your personal bank account, but make sure you talk with a professional mortgage advisor, somebody who can help walk you through that process and tell you exactly where you need to be so you can move forward in your new home. If you have any questions, reach out to me. Otherwise, you can hit me by text, phone, email. But until next time, have an awesome day. Thank you.